At one of the brand new projects labs, being sponsored by Tektronix in Farnell. I've got Adrian Evans here, who's the head of the department for the engineering division. So, quick question to you, Adrian. What made you decide on Tektronix in Farnell?
Well, so first of all, I'd love to say we're delighted to have this equipment from Tektronix and Farnell in these labs. The labs are a big development that we're very proud of in the department, and really we're looking for quality equipment that will provide the students with the sort of experience they will get when they go into industry afterwards.
So what sort of projects will these students be working on?
So in these labs we've got a number of projects. We've got a team bath racing electric, so students are designing and building and racing an electric vehicle, and that will have all the equipment for that, for the not only the motor and the motor control and all the engine control, but also for telemetry for monitoring its performance. We have other autonomous systems projects going on in here, autonomous submarines. We will have students doing a variety of group projects here as well. So anywhere where there's electronics, embedded electronic systems, our students will be working here all next semester. In fact, this room will be heaving with students.
Great, thank you, Adrian. Yeah. I've got Sean here. He's the team lead here for the team Bath Racing electric team, and so Sean's been working with Tektronix equipment to make the team win. So Sean, can you just describe how we're helping you and what are the challenges you face?
Yeah, certainly. So my role within the team is the design and the control of the high voltage battery systems. So there's an awful lot of complex systems going on there. So one of the subsystems inside of that is the battery management system, which is a bit of high-speed electronics that also has to deal with a lot of analog signals. So using the really excellent kind of multi-domain oscilloscopes, we're able to look at both the analog outputs of all of our batteries and all of our transfer kind of as we go along, look at some of the characteristics, but also we can do a lot of the high-speed stuff around the CAN bus. So we can analyze the analyze the high-speed communication electronics all in a single piece of kit, which is pretty incredible.
Great. So the bus interface, the spectrum analysis capability,
exactly,
the power measurement capability,
exactly, all in a single bit of kit.
Great, excellent. Okay.
Yeah.
So what are the other equipment that you've been sort of looking at? I think one of the ones was the battery simulator.
Yeah. So
characterising batteries.
So we've been trying to really characterise the batteries. One of the big things we want to know is kind of how's the voltage going to droop, and how hot are they going to get. So some of the battery simulation technology that Tektronix has to offer is really kind of exciting to us, and it's something we'd like to explore further. It's something that would really make my life a lot easier.
So when's the first race? What are we looking at?
So this year our goal is the Formula Student UK event, which is held at Silverstone. That's the only one we're currently planning to enter. If we can enter a second competition, we'd love to, but we're unsure about that just yet. It happens kind of in mid-June. So that's really, we've got a big drive to get the car finished in around April, May. Okay. They do some serious system level testing, tune the vehicle, get it ready to win.
Great, excellent. Well, thank you, Sean. Good luck with the race, and
cheers, thank you very much.
It's a fantastic team you got here, and it's a fantastic vehicle now.
Yeah,
thank you. I've got Andy Matthews here, who's the senior lab technician at the Faculty of Engineering at Bath University. So we, under the sponsorship program, we help them acquire all the bench test equipment here. So quickly, Andy, what made you select Tektronix and Farnell?
Well, it's the first opportunity we've really had to upgrade our equipment to industry standard. In previous years, especially our final year project students and third year group students have used perhaps older equipment. This year we got working with Farnell and Tektronix, and with the support Tektronix were able to give us, we could upgrade to some really modern equipment. The one we like the most is the MDO 3000. The fact it's got 6 instruments in one, it's got a function generator, it's got the scope, it's got everything that we need for our students.
What's the feedback from students who've been using it?
Fantastic. I think they can't believe we've given them such good equipment. Mm-hmm. As I say, we've never been able to give them this kind of level of equipment before.
So they're spoiled, right?
They're spoiled. Suddenly they're getting state-of-the-art equipment that they can really make use of.
Right.
And I think it will only help them. Yeah, it'll only help them.
So you advocate the Tektronix sponsorship program that we're running under match funding?
Absolutely.
Helping universities?
Yeah, for us it's enabled us to work with a level of instrument that we've only dreamt of before.
Well, thank you, Andy. You know, we're looking forward to working with you closely along with Farnell. And yeah, so any more equipment that you need, I know we're looking at acquiring some more battery simulators and
something, yes,
source
that
meters.
we are
and,
interested in.
yeah,
Yes.
that'd be great to support you with that as well.
Okay,
Well,
thank you very
much.
much,
Yeah.
Dave. Thank you.
Cheers, Andy.